Days open house. We are in Vistoso, a listing by my friend Sharee. Rancho Vistoso, beautiful view of Catalina Mountains from the front driveway. Nice 2-story home. We've got a cute little front porch with like a courtyard area in front of it. Let's go take a look. Okay, so this is 2,321 square feet. It is a 2-story home. It's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, but it does have this kind of den right as you walk in. They're using it as a dining room, but you could use that as an office or whatever. It's open and no closet, so it's not technically a bedroom. Then you've got a 2-car garage over there. Half bath, which is perfect for guests. You have a downstairs bathroom under the stairs closet, which everybody always thinks those are fun. Your living area. And then you do have a separate dining area here, as well as lots of counter space. Granite counters, really pretty cabinets. I like when the sink looks out a window. We'd probably plant a rose bush there or something. But even more, I love a walk-in pantry. This is a nice sized pantry. I wish I had a pantry this big. Let's go check out the outside. Nice porch. We've got some cute little lights on it. Really nice pavers. Oh, there's a nice landscaping. Nice high wall there. You do have neighbor groups. Nice and private. Can't even see into those yards over there. Got some turf for the kiddos or for the dog or for whoever wants to play in the turf. Room for seating there, and then actually lots of space over here. Okay, and then let's go up the stairs. I really like these stairs. They're really pretty. Looks like real wood. I like the handrails and banister. But look at how nice this is. Nice high ceiling, all open up here. So this is a great space. You can do all kinds of stuff here. You can have a whole sitting area with TV and stuff there. I mean, there's enough room for a pool table or a ping pong table. And then also up here with the bedrooms, you do have the laundry room, which is nice. You don't have to go up the stairs when you're done with laundry. You get your laundry. And then down here's all the bedrooms. So here is the hall bathroom. Hello, your friendly realtor. And then over here is the primary bedroom. Nice size primary. You do have a view to the Tucson Mountains out this window, which is nice. You can actually see all the way down south. And then of course here's your Catalinas again. And then the primary bathroom. You have double sinks. Shower, walk-in shower over here, pocket door with a separate toilet, and then the walk-in closet. And then just across the hallway are the other 2 bedrooms, which is nice if you have little kids, have them close. This one has a walk-in closet, which is awesome. And then here's the other bedroom. Very nice home.